Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video is most requested video on my channel. So I have a top haul for you guys, a very trendy and affordable top haul. So I don't have 5, I don't have 10, I don't have 15, I have 20 tops to show you guys. So they are from Amazon, 3 of them are from Amazon and rest of it from Ajio. Your girl shop a lot from Ajio. So I'm gonna mention the links in the description box below, and the products, size, prices I will mention on the screen. So yeah, we have a lot to dig in, so let's get into the video. So let's start with the Amazon tops. So it came in the pack of 3, so white, grey and the one I'm wearing. So I ordered different color. I will mention on the screen the original picture what I ordered, and I got the different color. But it was for 300 bucks. I mean, if you calculate, it is 100 bucks per piece. So I did not return it, and they were not bad except the grey one. Grey one is a little bit loose for me, and it was in fixed size. So kinda fit me well, so I did not return it. So yeah, 100 bucks per piece. So I'm gonna say order at your own risk. So next we have Camisole. It is from girls children section. It is in pack of 2. This is a beautiful yellow color and it's very nice. The material is very nice. The size I will mention on the screen, and I got this for 308 rupees, the pack of 2. You can, I mean, it is for like 150 bucks for one piece. So it's now, I think it's cheaper now. I just checked the price. Currently it's cheaper than what I bought. So yeah, they are really amazing. This one also you can wear under the jacket, or you can style in multiple ways. So yeah, this is a really beautiful yellow color. So next we have again Camis. It have this amazing beautiful lace detailing, and the material is really soft. This is from women's section. I got this in 2 colors, a navy blue and a black one. I got it for 150 rupees per piece. So actually I ordered the black one first, but I really like the material and the detailing of this for 150 bucks. So I ordered color blue. This is really nice. So next we have these 2. Actually they are quite similar, just a different color. So this is how it looks. It's a striped one, horizontal striped one, and it have got sleeves. I ordered size extra small, and I got it for 345 rupees, and now actually it's cheaper than what I ordered. I have got this in 2 colors. Both of them are really pretty colors, and the material is really soft. It's really soft material. Actually I really like the material. Actually it hugs my body kind of material, and the look of this top is very rich. I mean, both of these color are really nice. So yeah, next we have the expensive top of this haul. The whole haul is this one. It's very pretty top. I mean, the look it gives, I mean, it is very pretty. I mean, it is expensive, but it is worth it. And I'm gonna tell you the price. It is for 461 rupees. Yes, 461 rupees, and it have this amazing bow detailing here, and it is a stretchable from backside. So it's really cute top. I ordered size extra small for this shirt. It's full sleeves. It has vertical stripes, and it has this tie-up detail. I ordered size extra small and I got it for 335 rupees. And this one is also a really rich color and it really looks amazing. You can wear it in office, you can casually also you can wear it, you can style it in multiple ways. This one is also really great purchase. So next we have this black shirt. It is a short sleeve shirt and it have amazing boat print all over it. It have this touch button thing which I really like. So I ordered extra small for this one and I got it for 308 rupees. Actually it's now cheaper than what I ordered. It is like if you apply offer code, it is for 180 rupees only. So yeah, this is a must buy. This looks really good on me. So next we have this like burnt orange color. It is in balloon sleeves, like 3/4 sleeves, and it have the square neck thing going on, and it's 100% cotton material. And I ordered extra small and it is for 251 rupees I guess. So this is a really great purchase, and if you are not like comfortable with short sleeves and everything, you can definitely go for this. This is a really great top, and I really wanted to buy a neon top, so I actually looking for a very long time, but finally I found it on Ajio. So this is it. I ordered size medium. Actually I wanted it to be a bit loose for me, but the medium size is not that even that loose, but yeah, it is for 238 rupees and the material is really nice. I must tell you, the material is really thick, and yeah, it's a good material and it's a good t-shirt. So next 3 t-shirts are from men's section. I always look into men's section because they have really amazing color, fabric, and if I want to buy some baggy t-shirt, I always look into men's section. So we have got 3 amazing color, and let's talk about this one. This is the beautiful coral color. It have vertical white stripes and really cute embroidery. This is in size medium and it was for 183 rupees. Can you believe it? And it's 100% cotton material and very comfy and baggy. So I really like such t-shirts. Yeah. So next we have this white t-shirt. It's a plain white t-shirt and have some detailing at side. So it is for 252 rupees and it's in large size, and it is also a 100% cotton material and really comfortable type t-shirt. So yeah, said. So next we have this sky blue t-shirt. It is that a woolen kind of material and it have this white collar. It is for 220 rupees and it's in size large. It is very comfy type of t-shirt, it can be also we can wear it in winter also. So yeah. So next we have 3 t-shirts. Actually I have shown this t-shirt in my previous Ajio haul. If you haven't watched it, I'm gonna link above here, so please check that out. So I'll just show you guys. So this is a black t-shirt. It was for 116 rupees. I mean 116 rupees. It is in size extra small and a very nice material, cotton material, and it fits really well. So yeah. And next we have these 2 yellow and white t-shirt. These are in size extra small and they are for 155 rupees. So it's very cheap, right? So this is also a very cute print going on, and this yellow t-shirt have written surf over it, and it have those white collar thing. It also look really cute on me. So yeah, very nice material, and yes. So that's all about it, guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel so I can make these kind of video for you guys. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.